Hey guys, and we are here in the gymnastic game. We're going to the gymnastics gym, and I'm so fun. I really want to make the team. Okay, so first before we enter, we need to read the rules, obviously. While playing the game, you're expected to follow all these rules. Do not pose, pretend, or roleplay as a coach or any staff member. Got that? Well, I don't want to be a staff member. I came here to do gymnastics, not to be a staff member. But anyways, next rule: do not get involved. Do not get involved in drama, gossiping, or bullying. Okay, I'm back. Do not. Okay, so sorry. Let me read number 2 again. Do not get involved in any drama, gossiping, or bullying. Share the gym equipment. Be mindful of others, players, and take turns. Trolling or disturbing others is not trolley. So, trolling. Let's talk about that. When someone tries to pretend to be you, or when you make some fun of someone, well, looks like here we need to get trophies. Whoa, looks like some people actually got some trophies. That's cool. So it looks like here we can get our hair done and stuff like that. And whoa. We could use it. So all these are beginners, just for a start. So I don't want to be a beginner anymore. I want to be me. Like, I don't want to be beginner. Hopefully it shows up. I don't know what it's doing right now. We need to reset because I'm fully naked. That is weird. Last time I tried recording this, but it didn't really work because I don't know. I was using some kind of ugly recorder. Why is she standing on my head? We obviously need to go to the changing room. Okay, I don't know how to do this. Okay, so we need to change our skin tone. Next, we need to change our face. So, I'm gonna have a beautiful face. Like, none of these have good faces, but I'll just have this face because I'm nice. And pants and shirt. Perfect. And now we just need a new hairstyle. I'm gonna go change mine into my new hairstyle. I'm gonna have a new hairstyle. And wow. Oh, I like this hair. I like this one. Oh, ah, ah. Then it looks like I have a bun in the back of my head. Oh, we can get this cute. Remove those hats. Okay, so you do. Okay, I guess the ponytail's fine. Well, last time I dressed up like this, yeah. Okay, let's go to practice because I think we're late getting ready. Whoa, this was my dream to come here. Whoa. That's weird. Okay, let's get started. First, I see so many things. Should we start practicing on the beam? Oh my gosh, it's so big I don't see the beam. It's it's such a long walk to the beam. Oh, Miss, I get in the room. Okay. Okay, let's practice. Hey! Well, the rule was don't get involved with any drama. I guess whatever. I'm trying not to ignore it. Haha, you. Let's just read the chat. Haha, you don't know XD means kill me. Are you blah blah or I can't tell? Yay, see you later. Anyone need a team? Not XD. What? This girl's being mean. Is she even a gymnast? Ew, she has thick legs. Gosh. Oh my god, what is wrong with her legs? Yes. She got off, yes. Okay. Are they being mean to her? Or she's being... Hope you guys... she's being mean to them. Wait, guys, don't get involved with any drama was one of the rules. And I'm trying, but are you using this beam? She kind of looks like me. Okay, whatever. Let's just get started. Let's do some flips. Ready? Back walk over. Oh, ow, 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 ouch, my leg. Well, I don't think I'm ready for the high beams yet. We've got to be simple and go on the small beams, because obviously, I'm still beginner, but I'm so loose. Whatever. Ouch! You kicked my back. Ow! Stop kicking my back. Stop it! Stop it! Ouch! Kicked my back. That really hurt. Don't kick me! Ow! 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 There's not very nice people here. I don't really like that. It's okay. Front split leap. Whoa, I'm getting dizzy, ow, ow, ow. I keep falling down, it's bad, and I'm not gonna be ready. Come on, let's do some poses. Tumbling. Ow, 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 my face, ow, my face. Woo. Oh my gosh, should I try it again? Yeah, it didn't really land in the same spot, but didn't feel weird. Sorry. Well, I'm flying, and I lost. Ow, 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 my head. Ooh, maybe I can go on one of these. Ready? My aerials are bad. I can't even do an aerial. Look how hard they are. It's kind of getting scary from up here. Should I climb down or should I jump off? Uh-oh. Whoop! At least I landed in the foam pit, but that really was scary. Let's climb up again. Hey, you want to climb race with me? Ready? 0 daily. Perfect. Well, I don't know how to do any handstands yet. Well, that's a bad thing. And I did a few flips so I fell down. I'm glitching. How do you do a split? Well, I haven't done a split in a long time, so... Ah! Oh my gosh, this foam pick got in my eye. Well, I haven't done a split in a long time, so... Okay, let's go to the competition and see what I can do. Okay, guys, so I'm just done and I came up with this. Ready? Pose, 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 and then... Scissors. Circle. And, ready? And a KTM. And a backflip and an aerial. Front flip. Poses. Middle splits. Front splits. And salad. And needle. Oh, yay! Oh my gosh! I just did a handstand! I just did a handstand! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Let's see if I can go do it on the beam. Ready? Oh my gosh, this music is so bad. Okay, let's do this. Ready? I don't have much time left I don't really have much time left in the gymnast gym, but I gotta show you guys. Ready? Oh, I did it! Needle. Oh, I'm not gonna. I just need a few work on that. But let's see if I can go on the big beam now. Yes. Let's see. Okay, let's not hurt myself. Okay, I'm pretty scared. I didn't explore anything else, but this will be the probably ready. Ready? Hold. Oh my gosh, I did it! Oh my gosh, I did it! Yay! I'm so happy. Ready? Handstand, handstand, handstand. Do a KTM on here. Perfect. Oh my gosh, I fell off, but it's okay. At least I did it. Oh my gosh. Now let's go on the bars. I think I can do some giants. Okay. Why am I looking down still? Perfect. Guys, I think we're ready. I'm just flying. I don't know why I'm flying. Ready? Let's do some tumbling. Is it ready? Whoa, I did a backflip. Okay, guys. Looks like I'm done from the gym today. It was nice having you guys come here with me to the gym, the gymnastic gym, and hope you subscribe and like. Comment down below.